Good morning to everyone Manga Kalasa for today's video. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Once again, thank you Lord for this wonderful morning that you've given to us of another day in life. Now we will do the usual daily routine as continuation of our scope of work. For now, as you can see, some of our workers will do our daily routine. Today is our 66 days in progress to our project. Please watch until the end of my videos and don't forget to subscribe, to follow, to share, and to pick and click a notification bell for always update in my videos. Thank you so much everyone Manga Kalasa.
Today is our installation effort. Let's go, buddy.
Lumuko kayong lahat. Yan. Sabay kayo magbaba. Huwag magpaiwan yung isa. Okay, baba. Oh, wait mo yung kabila. Angat mo, angat. Hintayin mo siya.
As you can see Manga Kalasa, we do measuring the actual size of the formworks, then we cut before we do install. Just look at our workers who did it. Anyway Manga Kalasa, we used Marinaplex board for our slab formworks. It is very smooth and long lasting, with it comes durability and strength. Once when if the phenolic are not available in your hardware, just try this kind of board. But of course some of our boards will be using phenolic board.
Mr. Sergs _ Kalasa TV.